Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share very easy, quick and healthy recipe that is quesadilla. It is made with the flour tortilla and some refried beans and vegetables and lots of cheese. So let's start the recipe. So here I'm taking different vegetables. So some chopped onions, some bell pepper, different color, some cilantro and black olives. You can take your choice of vegetables here. So into the plate I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of onions, chopped onions, some bell pepper, that is capsicum. Here I have used green and red color, and I add black olives and cilantro, that is dhania. And now we will add some little bit of seasoning. So here I have added a very little amount of salt and some taco seasoning. If you don't have a taco seasoning, you can add red chili powder, black pepper powder and some garlic powder. And I have also added around 2 tablespoons of corns, boiled corns, and just give it a good mix. So our vegetable stuffing is ready. Let's just keep it aside. And now we will prepare the beans mix. So here I have leftover beans. So if you haven't seen my refried beans recipe, I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. So this is ready, and here I have taken a flour tortilla. If you don't have flour tortilla, you can use the regular chapati. That tastes good too. So now it's just time to assemble the quesadilla. So first put the beans layer. You can make it without the beans also. It tastes good as well. Just the vegetables and the cheese. But the beans gives a good filling. Now put some vegetable stuffing. Here I have added around 2 to 3 teaspoons. And now time to add cheese. Here I am using a Mexican blend cheese. You can use any cheese that you have. Apply cheese generously. So now you can see like it just took me 5 minutes. Just give it a fold. And now onto the hot tawa, I will apply some ghee. You can use oil or butter if you wish. Now put the quesadilla on a tawa. Now we will roast it on the other side. Just apply some little bit more ghee on the other side and just give it a flip. So we wanna cook it until it has a golden spots. So this looks perfect. So now it's ready. It is very easy and quick snack recipe that can be given for kids lunch box, and it is healthy that you can add vegetables of your kids choice and just cut it in half, and it's ready. You can see it is very beautiful colors. It has all vibrant colors: red, green, yellow. You can have it with sour cream or any kind of dip or salsa. So do try my recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.